Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the fun stuff, and we need to stay quiet about these ones because we don't have many of them, and I don't want to get into trouble.
But at the same time, we're super excited because this is from a mint that has been so highly requested, and we haven't, I don't think we've been able to secure anything from them before in the past. We have been to Berlin to try and find them. I'm sure you've been doing a lot of other things in the background trying to hunt for these. And this is the first time we've got them, so
first time we've managed to
we
land
are
them.
super excited. This is an entirely new monster box for me. This is all fresh, all new. Really excited.
Yeah, I thought these boxes were one monster box, not two monster boxes in them.
There we go. Two hunting in there. So yeah, closer to the kangaroo mini monster box. Let's pop them open. Ooh. So we are talking about Comsco, the South Korean mint, and I would say kind of similar. There's a few that are really starting to make a name for themselves in regards to quality, but have very much cemented themselves as a mint that really puts a lot of effort into quality of their designs, and some pretty high relief stuff too, which I've seen on some of their others.
It is. So just noticing, these guys, looks like the way they package them, they actually vibrate the tags loose. So if you buy a full tube and it looks like it's unsealed, it's actually not.
Yep.
It's actually the way they've come. However, as Ruben said, we've been trying to get hold of product from this mint for many a moon, and we now have them. So this is, drum roll please, this is the Tiger.
The Korean Tiger for 2024. It says 1 ounce Halasan at the bottom, which is a volcano in South Korea.
Oh, you are very up with it all, aren't you?
Trying to be. But super cool. Along the edge there, I noticed as you were pulling it out, very similar to a Philharmonic with no reading on the edge.
No reading right on the edge there. Beautiful design though. I'm just looking, I'm actually looking on one in front of me. So Ruben can take this one really clearly, but the expression on the Tiger, you know, the floral background, a frosted finish that still gives you a depth of vision. This is, or a depth perception.
Yeah.
With I'm assuming a hill range or a mountain range behind it.
And then somewhere right in the middle, a very reflective and kind of glossy spot to kind of just show that they absolutely can still do a nice gloss in there as well. But not to cover the entire face sometimes when mints do it across the entire face, we start to get a little concerned that, you know, you'll see scratches, marks, all that kind of stuff. So I think
you don't dare look at them sideways in case they wrinkle. And then on the other side,
Republic of Korea. And a design there. It looks very similar on the right there to the Trident and Lock security feature on the Britannias.
It does.
So excited to see that. If you tilt it a little bit to the other way, so we get 999, and then we get I think another logo there. I'll rely on some further magnification on those ones. I'll be showing that now. But yeah, super cool to see that security feature.
That's actually fascinating. The security feature they've got on there is it's AG in the. Whoa, almost dropped it. AG in that area.
Yep.
With the lines down it. Even this background here, the way they've run the matte against the shiny finish and the lettering through it, and then the yin and yang within the symbol there. That is, I actually like the obverse as much as I like the reverse.
Yep. No.
That's a beautiful coin.
I think there's a reason people have been chasing these ones.
Yeah. So look, we've got them in stock right now. We did take a small delivery of them. We didn't take tens of thousands like we do with some things. So we've got them while we've got them. As soon as they're gone, they're out of here. Now, they are a higher premium than, say, you know, the classic Perth Mint Kangaroo, which I've been complaining for years is too cheap, as everyone would know. So they are a slightly higher premium. They do come naked. We will try to encapsulate as many as we can. If you're buying a tube, you're likely to end up with a tube or a monster box and no capsules. But if you're just buying a few, you know, 5, 6, 7, you're likely to get them in capsules. What have I missed, Rubes?
This is actually the last in the Tiger series that Comsco have done. However, I am going to say if you want us to get more from this mint, if you've been hanging for these for a while and you're interested, leave a comment down below and just say, hey, really appreciate you guys getting them in. You know, give me more because I think people have been missing a little South Korean part to their stack.
Look, I always get worried with these things because you think, wow, they're really cool, but does everyone else think they're really cool? Or are we going to buy 40,000 of these things and no one else is going to buy them except me? So let us know if you love them. Again, just grab them while you can, while we've got them in stock, and we'll see others.
Does this mean that we're going to be able to get more if the people say, hey, yeah, we really love these? Is the line opening up a little bit on us getting them?
I don't know about more tigers. I doubt it, but certainly other Comsco stuff that becomes available will, if it proves popular, we'll absolutely grab it.
Awesome, fantastic. All right, I think that's everything. Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See you soon.